Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add and music and sound effect in KineMaster. Good audio makes your video more interesting and professional. So let's get started. First, open the KineMaster on your phone. Tap the plus icon to create a new project. Choose your video like 16:9 for YouTube. Now add your video clip to the timeline. On the right side, tap audio. You will see KineMaster Music Library. Choose a music track you like and tap the plus button. The music will appear on the timeline. Tap on the music track in the timeline. Use the volume option to lower the volume. Keep music low. It should not cover your voice. You can also add fade in and fade out for smooth sound. Tap audio again. Go to the sound effect section. Choose effect like click, pop-up, notification, and etc. Drag the sound effect on the correct position in the timeline. Watch it with action in your video. This makes your video more engaging and fun. And last, tap the play button to preview your video. If everything sounds good, tap export. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.